Good morning from my studio. I'm about to go read my picture book at a local library, but I'm just going to take a second to tell you about two sets of Super Tips markers. The Super Tips 10 set of 10, the Super Tips set of 10 markers. And folks, let me just tell you the bargain of the year. This set of 10 is only $2 at Dollar General. If that is not the bargain of the year. And it includes some fabulous colors. It includes yellow, orange, red, carnation. And unless this pack was a fluke, this is the only pack, unless it's probably also in the set of 100, maybe in the set of 50. The 50 will be here tomorrow, so I'm going to be able to compare that set. But that, in the set of 20, we do not have the carnation. The set of 20 has light pink, which is really dingier, browner. It has more red in it. And I'll tell you about why later. And the reason is that this red right here has yellow in it. And when you mix yellow with pink, which has purple, this pink has purple in it, you get a brownish tone. So this is a brownish red, more like a flesh tone, the cheeks on a person. But this is a true pink. So that's one reason to buy the super set of 10 for $2 at Dollar General. Okay, another color in here is violet and blue. The violet and the blue and the red, the orange and yellow and the green and the brown and the black are in every set of markers. The broad lines and the Super Tips. But what happens as you add more colors, except in the exception of this pale carnation, which is not in the 20, you just add more colors. And for $4 at Dollar General, you can have this set of 20. Now, I'm in the process of doing something, and it's going to take me a while to get this done because this is a pretty arduous task. The problem with Super Tips markers, and they're pretty good markers, is that they do not have the color name on them. So what I'm doing is I am identifying one step at a time what each color is, and with a fine line Sharpie, I am writing the color name. That's yellow, yellow. This is orange, but the beautiful thing and this is sun yellow. These three yellow, golden yellow colors are in the set of 20. And I am going to show you something. Whereas there are other colors in this set of 20. There's the turquoise, which is an invaluable color. I started this yesterday. If you're there are two types of greens that you can create with the set of 20. You can go from yellow to grass green to green. Let me see. Turquoise, which looks like a teal to me. But those greens that is a bluish green, a more pure green. If you go this way, you have yellow, green, turquoise. That's that route to make green. You can go this way to shade a more natural leaf, yellow, grass green, olive. These two greens have red in it, which makes this a brownish tone. And I'm going to be explaining all that later today, one step at a time. But in this set, you get the magenta, which is a beautiful color. You get this pale pink, which has its value. You get lavender, which is a pale violet. Oh, that's another thing another thing that's different. The set of 10, you get violet. in the set of 20, you get lavender. That's another valuable color that you can only get in the 20, and then in all the subsequent sets. Okay, let's see. And this, there's another color here that I think is invaluable. Okay, that's the brown is in the 10, but in the 20 you get this light brown, which is an absolutely fabulous option for when you want to make shaded designs. And okay, let's see. Okay, so, and this is a maroon, which the cap looks like it's no, that's not it. This is a maroon. That is a brown with a lot of red in it. It's really not. In Mississippi, the Mississippi State colors are, I think Harvard's colors are maroon. I'm not sure, but this is not that color. It's not a maroon. It's a brown. It's this color right here. It's a reddish brown. Okay, so now, okay, so that's what I want to tell you about these two sets of magic markers. Okay, I'm getting ready to redo this design, but I created this design with the set of 20, and this is blue, and that color is no, this is in the set of 100, so forget all that. But these stars, that star and that moon, are yellow and sun gold or sun yellow. Let's see, what color is that? Sun yellow. So this you're gonna have to get a bigger set to get those different options of blue. But you do get these two different colors of yellow in the set of 20.